traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 14th, and this is my recap of the top five videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see the full top-down analysis from this morning on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have CPI inflation data today. Really was not that big of a move compared to most of the time. We did end up breaking structure to the downside though on gold. This move up to me definitely looks more like three waves, but I mean, anyways, we do have a break of structure, which means that most likely this last series of higher highs, higher lows is over. So now I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last series of higher highs, higher lows. I do expect this to be a correction because I think it's very likely a 1, 2, and this is very likely a 3. So definitely keep an eye on these Fibonacci levels. I do think that we are going to get a Fibonacci bounce and a break of structure. Probably won't happen today. Probably more likely end up doing something like this. But I do expect this to bounce off a Fib level, and I still expect that $2,500 area to be hit for the wave 3 on the very, very high time frames like the weekly and daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.